Hi guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So as you guys may already know, I am homeschooled. So my mom signed me up for some classes, but since we don't really have a lot of time, we're gonna do a quick hairstyle. And I already have a braid in the middle from a photo shoot that I did not too long ago. So we're just gonna keep that. All right, let's get started.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
So here we have our homemade rice water and aloe vera juice. You can see the video how we made it, and we'll drop the link down below.
Alright guys, so just excuse my face. The tea was a lot colder than I expected. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned how we don't use a lot of hair utensils, but we love to use a rat tail comb just to part my hair. We usually don't like using rubber bands because we prefer the puff cuff, but when we do, we just make sure it's not tight. Oh, sorry, guess I was sleepy.
So here in my last video, we showed you how we made the hair on the rubber bands. We usually don't make new ones every single time, but since we just needed more, we made them in our last video, but we like to use them over and over again until we just don't. And the more I use them, the more they look like my natural hair. So we're gonna use them again.
I usually don't like to use extensions, but they can help protect my ends and it looks like my real hair. And another yarn. Sorry about that. And now we are going to be using this bobby pin to pin down the center braid. So I don't like having my baby hairs on my forehead and going all wishy whoop and all that stuff. So we just brush them back. Just brush them back. I know guys, you must be saying, it looks crooked, but actually it's just the bobby pin to the center braid. And I know one of the buns is a lot tighter than the other, so my OCD noticed while I was in the mirror. So then I fixed it before I went to school. And I ended up getting a lot of compliments at school. Yay!
Alright guys, I gotta go, so make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite quick hairstyle is. Alright, bye!